Managing or dealing with construction work is not an easy task, especially when you have limited time and budget. Managing any construction-related work such as materials, equipments, machinery, workforce could be a big question mark. Dealing with any such a thing could be a challenging task, and it can cost you a lot of money. Visit ConstructionMonday.com. ConstructionMonday.com is an online portal for all your construction needs. The word Monday itself shows that anything related to construction is available at dedicated digital platform. We provide unlimited database for all resources, such as construction materials, equipments and machinery, consultants, architects, builders, contractors, etc. All kinds of infrastructure, be it residential or commercial buildings, road and highways, metro and railways, competitive rates and price indication of construction materials available at various locations pan-India. One-click form in which user get quotation price estimation from several suppliers, vendors, manufacturers at one shot. Services of the website are available 24/7. With the help of ConstructionMonday.com, project will be completed ahead of time and both time and money will be saved. Visit ConstructionMonday.com for more information.